It's about time we upgrade our greenhouse. So today we're going to be going from this to this. So we're going to be showing you the process of how we did it. This is where we're going to be putting the greenhouse. We have plans to expand into a larger greenhouse down the line. For now we're just going to be using this one that we got off Amazon for about 60 quid, as it will give us more room to grow into.
This is gonna suck.
Slow and steady. Do you want me to do this and you hold the camera?
Yes. Oh, I didn't know getting help from the camera person was an option, or I would have asked you to do that. You're okay. There you go.
Am I on the side?
Yeah.
If you're enjoying this type of content, be sure to like the video and subscribe to keep up to date with more projects to come. And with that, for 2 hours of work between the both of us, was quite a successful little project. It's a little bit of an upgrade from what we had before. And there's the space inside. We've still got to pin down the sheeting along the edge so it doesn't blow about everywhere. But this will be a good mid-size greenhouse for us. And if you want to continue to see where we end up with more of our projects, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.